What's up, poppin' Pisces? You already know I love you, baby. If ain't nobody told you today, I did. So with that being said, you guys better be lighting up with your girls, smoking up, toking up, drinking up, and kicking your Piscean motherfucking feet up, baby. And with that being said, catch the word. So Pisces, listen. You already know what time it is. If your ass is sensitive, gonna click the fuck on off, because I will be talking about your partner. Your person, your shoulda, woulda, couldas, have, nots, maybes, possiblies, maybes, in betweens. Okay, bitch, y'all know the drill. So this is gonna be for all of my sharks, mermaids, mermen, sea crustaceans, fish, sea anemones, okay, sharks, the whales of the ocean, baby. You already know what time it is. So Pisces, with that being said, let's see what's going down. Spirit, you are welcome into this Piscean reading, baby. Big smoke, woo! Come on, big fish. Like this, you must say, ha, the car. Well, all of my Pisces gals, baby. Now you know. Huh? Now listen, I won't hold you, and don't you hold that blood long, okay? Okay, Pisces. The energies I was collecting and gathering was a very deep, dark under the ocean. Wells, history, water, lakes, rivers, dark waters as well too. Some of you guys could be looking at terrain or studying terrain or something like that. But we're gonna get down to the nitty gritty. Okay? But she ain't gonna be second guessing herself. We're gonna get these here cards. Okay? So no hate dance. Oh, nah. Shit. Got to reiterate that shit. And if you are watching while you hating this, thank you for the view. Nigga. Give it to me for my Pisces. What's happening in the next couple of days that they need to know about? We have La Peace. La Su. Now, I know how to pronounce that. Okay, because it sounds just like my name almost, but just, a little bit more emphasis on the other things. Okay? Balance is what this stone can help with harmonizing your mental, emotional, and spiritual physical selves. It brings inner peace when used. With meditation, this beautiful stone opens the third eye chakra and allows you to see inside of yourself. You'll see the real you. Okay, ain't that sexy? Now listen. Pisces. I'm getting that some of you guys energetically wise. You just might be discovering more of yourself in the darker parts. Now for some of y'all, this could be understanding the deep of the ocean, okay? We also have Shimbarati. This stone is when mistaken for amber. And like amber, it emits a warm, powerful energy, baby. It brings known to wake up the chakras and provides motivation. Holding this stone in your hand during meditation seems to lift your spirits out of the fog of everyday life. And then we have Leomar. It is a mixture of the sky and sea energy. Oh, bitch. Specifically tuned to women, this stone helps restore a connection with the earth goddess and bestows you the energy of the sky and sea as you meditate. It can help you reach the spiritual plane and even with angelic connections. Y'all, I'm over here listening to when doves cry. Say, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, bitch. Yes. Give it to me for my Pisces. What else I need to know? We got Tiger's Eye. Place this powerful stone on the third eye during meditation. It's high vibration from the earth and the sun enhances psychic abilities. This has proven carried as a protective amulet for centuries. It brings courage and energizes the spirit and balances the chakras. This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Ha ha! Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? We got the Two of Wands, also Justice, and Queen of Swords, or something like, Bitch, I done told you. And I'm going to keep on telling you. Okay, you might have to press that ejecto button with this Queen of Swords here. Okay, Justice energy, and also Two of Wands. So, listen. If y'all hear some extra shit from the neighbor over here, bitch, this is another reason why I'm moving. It's some little, Dennis Menace ass nigga. Okay, keep doing the same old fuck ass shit, same trick ass shit in my motherfucking videos. And I kept hearing this shit. And my kids would be like, I don't know, that's a little Satan up the street. I said, oh. So this nigga doing this shit on purpose, so don't you mind that now. Okay, let me go back to my brunch. But you got Justice energy here, also Queen of Swords, and Two of Wands. So you're setting into a new different adventure or a new step to your motherfucking beat, baby. Give me some more for my Pisces. What do they need to know about in the current next couple of days? Bitch, I have to get a real Dennis the Menace. What's that one little name? That one, what's his name? Oh, that nigga was bad. Problem child. Okay, but y'all, fuck up. Oh, don't make me show my ass on YouTube now. I'm trying to be nice, Laurelle, okay? Trying to be nice. I don't do the bad kids. We straighten them out. Okay. Now listen. Let's see what's up for my Pisces. Let me go check it out. Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? Okay, we have the Temperance energy here. Also, Seven of Wands. Okay, so some of you guys are finding some sort of temperament, all right? You might be finding balance here as well, too. Queen of Pentacles and also Death energy. So I'm seeing that for some of you guys, you got the High Priestess. I told y'all gonna be kicking it like motherfucking Bruce Leroy, baby. Okay, what's this Three of Swords here for? You might just have to be a batch to these motherfuckers. You got the Eight of Wands and also the Eight of Pentacles. So I'm getting a lot of work, a lot of progress in your work coming up. Okay, there's that Hermit, which definitely could be dealing with terrain. And I'm also seeing the Star, baby. And the Sun. Give me some more from my Pisces. What do they need to know about? You have the Hermit, Ace of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. So it could be some sort of money coming your direction. Okay, but I'm also seeing with this Three of Cups and Three of Swords, it's a lot of threes. Okay, here. Also Justice, Ten of Cups, Magician. Oh, Pisces, I'm about to be spilling all of my fucking secrets. Okay, some of y'all could be, bitch, this is looking for me pot of gold. Okay, like I told y'all before, this is some lucky energy here. It could be dealing with a possible Libra as well, too. Okay, but you have the Justice energy. That's bright ideas of Albert Einstein, Tesla, baby. Okay, imagination. Okay, mixed with a sprinkle of little finesse with Magician and power. You got the King of Wands and also the Page of Cups, Judgment energy here. So there might be some sort of phone call or something that you might be receiving, or there could be some sort of I'm seeing for a lot of you guys, it might be your investments or thinking about your money or how your money comes in. Okay, or what you're going to do with it properly. Okay, this could be investments, properties. Alright, let's see what's going on with little ugly bitch. I'm sick of the motherfucker. Not still an identity coming out already, child. Now let me mix this shit up. Here we go. Give it to me for my Pisces. We have wrong investment and rush. Okay, also kicked out and bitch ass. Rottweilers and pit bulls. Uh-oh, so somebody got little hood puppies. Okay, something's about to be stopped. What's this spirit? Online scandal, damage from conception, also in the morning. Broken promises, a little jailbird. Yeah, so somebody might be getting in trouble or somebody might be getting released or something. I don't know what the fuck this is, bitch. Let me see if I can scoop some honey out real quick. Okay. Undercover status. All right, here we go. Let's me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? Break the law. Oh. 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 I was trying to be a little passive. Okay, what I was saying, but this is definitely verified that there's something already happened with the law or something like that. Kink here, okay, and dirty deals. Ooh, Lord. We have Lucifer's keys and bondage and changing faces. Where's my suspect dead? Give it to me for my Pisces. What the fuck is this? Give it to me for my Pisces. Where identity. Okay, so something messed up with their ID or something. Listen, we have close family relative, and somebody seen it. Also the boyfriend, and no empathy. What's this about, spirit? And the girl. Spill the beans. Oh God. It just keeps getting worse. Secret lovers. And child also ditching cold case. Uh-oh, somebody got a secret baby on the wire. And we have on cameras and the girlfriend. That's strange. Also at night and bones. And cop. Damn, Pisces. I got some sort of evidence with his fingerprints and this is being caught red-handed. Damn. We got closed mouth. And water. Want some money. All right, let's see what's up. I'm gonna get the Simpsons cards and then I'm gonna get the karmatic cards too, bitch. Since we want to get ugly, let's do it. We have Ace of Cups in reverse. And Page of Cups here. Also, Queen of Wands, a crazy lady. And the High Priestess, so something you're about to see Okay, Nine of Pentacles in reverse here, and also Two of Wands. Could be some sort of twins or a set of twins here. And then we have Five of Swords, or it could be two women. Five of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Give it to me for my Pisces. What do they need to know about? It says, conveniently forgets wallet every date. Always has ID though. And as long as you date them, you can only eat food off the dollar menu. So they all cheapo. And then we have is addicted to crack. And literally only talks about themselves. And is 40 years older than they were in their profile picture. Okay, and doesn't believe in oral sex and is related to you. Wow. Wow. And incapable of all emotions. And refuse to cover their face while sneezing. So they're just so dirty, motherfucker. Okay, it's on it. And they live off the grid, or this person might live far. And it's really stupid. Wow. Baby, this is some extra shit. This could be some sort of sex tape or something like that, or something that went viral. And is wanted in every state except for Florida because Florida doesn't want them. Damn. And has two other spouses. So somebody's about to get kicked out and then constantly plotting to kill you. I mean, do people really be that angry, y'all? Tell me in the comments. Because I done had somebody slash my brake line. They try to kill me in other ways. In the most toxic ways possible you can, even in a relationship. Think about that. And be mad about your gifts. I've had so many people be like that towards me. Be jealous and shit. Bitch, don't let me go in the store time, honey. With this constantly plotting to kill you. All right. So, wow, nigga. So they be in this like constant state of envy and jealousy and hate. Especially if they feel like this, or they like, shit, I gotta make sure that I'm gonna take them down. Okay, but somebody's really mad. I mean, struggling with some sort of mental illness, baby. Baby. So, this is some kind of some sort of reverse side effects with this motherfucker. Damn. So they want to take down. They might be struggling with their identity or something. I don't know if this is the gay identity or this actual ID card or something. But baby, I got to fold my card on that. You got to just close it down. You see that? I mean, wow. And is addicted to crack. So they really might have some sort of serious addictions here. And since they literally just only talk about themselves. Or they really just could be dumb, like the way that they think is no like intelligence or logic or, oh. I don't did not expect that card to come out. Could be some sort of sex tape or somebody's wanted or the police is after them or something like that. That shit is wild. Okay. So yeah, you see it. What is this? Why do they feel this way? Motherfucker. We have in water. Definitely could be a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio here. And also found dead. Ooh. And partner in crime. Also handcuffs once again. In my blank car. Child. Ammunition and cover up. So in handcuffs. So we have long record and in between. So this person has a long habit but caught. Alright, Pisces. You already know I love you, baby. I'll see you guys in. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, because baby, it's like life's a bitch and then you die. Just be careful with this motherfucker. You can break the law, handcuffs, there's a lot of shit going on. Somebody's testing the limits. No jail bird. So it might be some sort of charge or something that they was rushing to try to do or complete here. And got mama's boy in charge. What'd I tell you? Oh. Could be a gambling addiction or somebody was taking some sort of gamble elsewhere or something. But yeah, hard drugs are hidden, baby. Alright, the past is after them. I'll see you guys in the next video.